Food is an essential part of every culture around the world. Eating brings people together. Local cuisines are crafted from a collection of many influences. Food holds a special place in our traditions, families, and memories. Guyana, South America's cuisines are rich with culinary fusions from throughout the region, including Indian, Caribbean, Creole, African, Chinese, and European samplings. These influences, along with the rich ethnic populations, has led to a local menu that is unlike any other around the world. Demerara is the northern coastal historic region in Guyana. It includes the capital city of Georgetown. It is famously known for its sugarcane production. In fact, the name for raw sugar we recognize most throughout the world is called Demerara sugar. It is brown in color and has a mild caramel or toffee-like flavor. This unique sugar originated in the Demerara sugarcane fields in the 1600s. The manufacturing of sugarcane remains relatively the same process today. First, the sugarcane stalks are harvested and collected. Second, they are chopped up and sent through machines that extract and collect the juice. Then the juice is boiled at an extremely high heat. This process will produce a dark syrup, which is a form of unrefined molasses. Lastly, the syrup is put through a process that separates the crystal from the syrup. The result is a slightly sticky sugar crystal. Root vegetables like sweet potato, yams, and cassava root are staples of the country's diet. Guyana is known as the land of many waters. With hundreds of acres of freshwater Amazon rivers, seafood is a major part of Guyanese cuisine. There are over 900 species of fish throughout the country. The fresh waters of the Atlantic and the dense tropical rainforest provide the perfect environment for some of the freshest seafood and the tastiest produce to make its way into the country's food. The Bangamary, or spotted trout fish, is a popular freshwater game fish in Guyana. These fish are excellent sources of protein. Beef, chicken, and shrimp are also popular meat options in many Guyanese dishes. Both of my parents were born and raised in Guyana. My mother has continued preparing traditional dishes that her mother passed along to her and that have been passed down for generations. I'm excited to share this special recipe with you so that you can experience a traditional Guyanese dish at home. Hi, I'm Nareesha and this is my mom, Zabeeda.
Hello.
Today we're going to be cooking a popular Guyanese dish called cook-up rice. This is a one-pot meal that is rice-based with coconut milk, beans or peas, and a variety of meats. Today we're going to be using beef as our protein. We're also going to be using rice, black-eyed peas, coconut milk, beef broth, extra virgin olive oil, mixed vegetables, garlic, and fresh vegetables.
This is how my mom showed me, and I will show it to Nareesha, and this is the way you could make it at home. When we cook this cook-up rice, it has so many ways, and you could use chicken, you could use fried fish, anything. Whatever you like for vegetables, you could add to your cook-up rice.
So do they call this a one-pot dish because you basically put everything in the pot and it cooks itself?
Yes, everything go in one pot, everything. That's why they call it cook-up rice. Everything cook up with the rice, boiled with all our ingredients. And the colors are beautiful.
It almost looks like the colors of the Guyanese flag.
Right now, we chop everything. We are ready to go, so we're moving to the stove. So Nareesha, could you turn the stove on for me?
At high?
Yes.
Okay.
And we will wait and let the pot heat. Then we will throw our oil in and let it heat up. Now I will add the vegetable that I cut up. Go ahead and keep stirring it so it don't get brown. I don't want it too brown. This is how it's looking. It's frying up and it's doing very well. I wash my meat and I season it with some black pepper and some salt. Now I add it to my vegetable. This is my black-eyed beans. I soak overnight. Now I'm going to go ahead and rinse it so I could add it to my pot. I drain my water out. Now I will take it to the stove and add it to my meat. Now my black-eyed peas and my meat is fried up together. Now I will add my coconut milk. Now I will add my water. This will help the black-eyed peas and the meat to get soft. I will cover it and let it come to a boil. This is boiling for 15 minutes now, and I'm about to add the rice. I put my rice, I stir it, and I will lower my stove down to medium. I will add my beef stock to the rice. I wash my rice, I put it in my mixture with my beef, black eye, and everything. So I will cover the pot and let it cook for 15 minutes. I will be back and check on it. So now my rice is boiling. Now I'm going to add my mixed vegetable. It's my oregano, and I will put a sprinkle in my rice. And I will stir it, and I let it finish off. And I will give it about 5 more minutes when I finish. When I check it to see when it gets soft, I will split it like that, and if it's finished, it's soft.
Mom, thank you for sharing this dish with me and the viewers at home. This is something I can actually pass down to my 2 boys.
Yes, and you know, it have a lot of more different dishes from Guyana, and the viewer, they should be checking into it because there are lots of different things you could learn about Guyana.